Do you have a tool suggestion for TubeBuddy? In this video, we're going to show you how you can suggest them. Hello everyone, I'm Andrew Cam from TubeBuddy, and some of our most popular features in TubeBuddy have come from you, the TubeBuddy community. We offer an easy way for you to suggest and comment on other people's ideas in our TubeBuddy community forums.
To get there from the main TubeBuddy drop-down menu, select Suggest Feature Idea. This will redirect you to our community forums. I'll put a card on screen explaining how to join and what our forums are all about. From here, you will need to give your suggestion a title. The more descriptive of the feature, the better. We will use this one from our community as an example. As you can see, they have included what they want from the tool in not only the title, but the description of the thread. This lets us know exactly what we can do at TubeBuddy and makes it easier for us on new tools. One thing to keep in mind is that it's one thing to suggest a tool, but for us to consider making it, we need to know that there's community support. This forum thread has just that, and makes it easy for us to move forward in working on making this suggestion a reality. There are literally hundreds of new features that we have written out and consider each time we start developing something new, so please be patient. It's always a balance between usefulness, how complicated it is to build, and what areas in TubeBuddy we can improve on.
We love hearing from you, our TubeBuddy community, and some of our best features have come from you, so we would like to take this time to thank the TubeBuddy community for the amazing suggestions over the years. That said, what would you like to see added or improved on in TubeBuddy? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification icon to stay up to date on all things TubeBuddy. I'm Andrew Cam from TubeBuddy, and thank you all so much for helping us make TubeBuddy great.